In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome on a computer. Now, although browsing in incognito mode means your browsing history isn't saved on your device, you might still want to ensure no trace of your activities remains. So let's dive into the steps to ensure your privacy is thoroughly protected. First, begin by opening your Google Chrome browser on your computer. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial because all the actions we'll take happen within the browser itself. With Chrome open, we're going to access the Settings section where many of the privacy-related features are located. Now, direct yourself to the top right corner of your Chrome window, where you'll find three vertical dots, often referred to as the More menu. Clicking this will unfold a cascade of options for you. From this menu, look for Settings and give it a click. This will open up the Settings page in a new tab, displaying a range of settings options on the left-hand side. In this settings menu, we want to focus on the Privacy and Security section. Why? Because this is where you can manage all things related to your browsing data. Go ahead and select the Privacy and Security option from the column on your left. This will bring up various choices, all of which help enhance your private browsing experience. At this juncture, what you're looking for is the Clear Browsing Data option. It's generally one of the top options you'll see under privacy settings because it's widely used. Click on it, and a new window will appear. When you see this interface, it can be a bit overwhelming due to the choices available. But don't worry, you'll notice that the new window has two tabs, Basic and Advanced. Since Incognito doesn't save your browsing on the device, but cookies and site data might still be relevant, switch to the Advanced tab to make sure what we're about to do is comprehensive. This tab offers more options to ensure you're covering all bases. In this Advanced menu, set the time range to All Time. This is key, as it ensures you're not just discarding recent data, but all data, just in case there was any tiny piece of information being saved. And from the list of types of information to clear, ensure cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files are selected. Finally, hit Clear Data. Remember, this action is thorough, and once done, it might also remove some not-so-crucial data from non-incognito browsing that helps websites load faster. However, what's important is that you're ensuring no data is retained from your incognito sessions. By following these steps, you can breathe a sigh of relief, knowing your private browsing sessions are indeed private, even beyond their natural end in incognito mode. It's about peace of mind and keeping your digital footprint as minimal as possible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful privacy tips on Chrome and beyond.